coming out of Worthington, Missouri. The Whittlers, they brought 3 tractors. I seen on Facebook, the old Facebookers, that these guys were coming to the Stevenson County Fair. They're not out running on the Champions Tour for the Pro Bowling League, just hitting select events. And I seen on the Facebook that they were coming to Freeport, and I'm like, yeah, they got a sponsor here for our late super stock classes. All right, Cole Whittler, 4 turbochargers crammed under the hood of the John Deere Bedbuster. Pumping the tires, and he's our test puller. And the reason we have a test puller is to see how our sled's set. We didn't learn sled with that distance or not. Personally, myself, I'd like to see him another 35, 40 feet down the track, but we shall see. That's just me. We'll have $8 alcohol in it. David Easton.
They love it.
Tractor, guys. We'll need a tow tractor. We got to make sure the fire's out. He jumps off the tractor, and Christy runs and grabs the fire extinguisher. Man, he was starting to really move. And I don't know if a fuel line let loose or what, but it went into a ball of fire. And right, he's moving right along, front and bouncing a little bit, but it's carrying decently. He's got some pretty good ground speed. Oh, there you go. You can see it. Wow. Fire outside the exhaust pipes and under the smoke rolling out from underneath it. Oh boy. And he did roll the clutch dust out again and really I think there was a problem with the old girl. Any idea? No idea. That's just it. They have no idea until they take her back to the look at it. 143.43 is going to be his distance of record. 143.43. Yeah, he's got one more tractor to run. Heavy tractor. Coming up later tonight. Man, that just didn't work out. It really started the Superstock class. You know, we're in July now, so a lot of these guys have been out running. A fair amount. I'm talking a lot of pullers. It's amazing how many of them have been working on their tractors since their last hook. Colt Whitworth leading with 270.09. Yeah, 12-volt bats. 308.25. That's going to be your new leader. Wow. Like 25, 30 feet. 35 feet. Oh, that's going to be Bobby Jones. Pleasant Hill, Illinois. Bobby Jones coming out on this. And Bobby Jones' dream season continues. Yeah, he might be up into the leaders. And we do have Auburn's towing and recovery here. So if you guys don't move them, we will. Here we go, Mark Kelsey from Davis. Well, a decent run for the local Ford.